Hello there. Today I've got another Argos return on the table, and it's a Bosch portable AM FM radio, model number PR-206. Now, it was purchased on the 25th of the 8th 2020 and returned on the 30th of the 8th 2020, and it says on the label no power, refund given. So let's see what we've got. Well, doesn't look as though that's been unwrapped, but I suppose it must have been to have tested it in the first place. Right, here's the radio itself. Oh, very nice. Looks almost, well, it is brand new, basically. It was only out of the shop a few days. Right, so let's get the power lead hooked up and see what it does. Or doesn't do. Right, so we've got the power lead plugged in. Let's switch her on. Yeah, that's completely dead. I can hear the transformer buzzing, so there is power going into it. Let's put some batteries in and see if it works off the batteries. Yeah, let's try that. Right, well that was a waste of time because we haven't got any batteries that size. It takes C cells. I expected it to be 4 AA's. So I've hooked up the bench power supply at 6 volts. So we'll see if it does anything off the battery connections. No, absolutely nothing. So it's something else rather than supply problem. So let's get the back off and have a look inside. Let's unplug the speaker. There we go. Right, what have we got? Right, well let's stick the mains lead back up it and see what they've got coming off the transformer. Where's the meter? So we should have some AC on this plug here. Let's have a look. Yeah, 8.74. Right, so we've got some rectification going on here. Let's see what. Let's have a look. .18. Right, so it's rectifying okay. So let's have a look what we've got on the switch, which was the negative there. Right, that's the ground side. So where does it go? Oh, onto there. So that's one side of the switch. And I think This will be the other 0.3. Is that on? Oh, that's on now. No, we've got nothing coming through the switch by the look of things. Right, okay. Take that mains lead back out. No. Right, let's get that board out and have a look at the other side. Is that it? Just those three? Yeah, we've got to take the switch off for the AM and FM. Okay. And it just lifts out then. Right, now there's the back of our switch here. Let's just zoom down on that a little bit. Right. So all it's doing is when we switch it off, this little cam is coming round and pushing the other contact away. So let's have a look if we've got anything from here. Yep, to the actual arm we have. So if I turn it off, that's okay. So it can only be this. It can only be this dirty, surely. I can't see what else it can be. I can hear it clicking against it. Right, let's find something to clean that with. I suppose we could try a bit of alcohol. Ah, that's it, just wanted a bit of a clean. It's odd that it's got dirty in such a short length of time. But there you go, just shows you the simplest of things. Well, that was a nice easy fix. Yep, let's just see. 0.4 of an ohm across that switch, and my leads are reading 0.3 of an ohm. So I think that's okay. Yeah, I think that'll do. Let's get it back together and see what sort of sound it makes. Now, one of the things you have to watch when you're reassembling this, if you've happened to move this, which is your tuner, then or the actual dial cog there, you won't get the full travel of tuning. So it's a bit of a case of trial and error, because there's no timing marks on the cogs. So it's a case of putting it together and just keep trying it until you can get equal amount of movement on the tuning dial. Right, where's the mains lead gone? There we go. Right, let's plug it in. Okay, aerial extended. Let's switch it on. Ah, there we go. What are we on there? FM. Well, it's not the best of reception, but yeah, that'll do. It's working. Another one saved. Cheap things. Yeah, Bosch, eh? Argos is best. Anyway, hope that's been of help to you. Many thanks for watching, and I hope to catch you in the next one.